Have you ever wondered how pitchers throw different types of pitches? I'm here to demonstrate how Major League throwers throw different types of pitches. I will demonstrate the fastball, curveball, and the knuckleball. The first one that I will demonstrate is the fastball. The fastball, as it hints, is a fast. It goes fast. The average MLB pitcher that throws a fastball is from 88 miles per hour to 97. That's pretty fast. So there's two different ways to throw a fastball. This right here is a four-seam grip. You put your fingers over these two seams. That makes it four seams because your fingers over four seams. The two seam, you have the horseshoe right here. So you put finger on two seams and you throw it. The fastball, the four seam, is going to be straight. It's not going to move at all. And you snap your wrist down when you throw it. But the two seam, it's going to tail away from hitters because of the way you throw it. It'll just roll off your fingers and it'll go. And this, you go the same way you snap down. The second pitch that I'm here to show you is the curveball. As you can imagine by the name, curve, it's going to curve. So for a curveball, there's many different ways to throw it, but here's one way. You put your two fingers over here, you split them, and you're going to throw it like that, or you can throw it like this and snap down. So every time you throw a curveball, you're going to want to snap down, snap your wrist down, because if you snap the wrist down, and the ball is going to move down, and it's going to tail away from hitters. This pitch is a good pitch for strikeouts, and if you can throw it effectively, you can get ahead in counts and just throw it for your first pitch strike all the time. The second pitch that I'm here to show you is the knuckleball. The knuckleball is a very complex pitch to throw because it's very difficult to throw. As the word hints, you have to use your knuckles. There's major league pitchers throw it different. Everybody throws it different. Not very many people throw a knuckleball. So one way to throw a knuckleball is putting all four knuckles right here and your pinky as a grip. It holds the ball in place. So you want to put your knuckles all the way right here. Another way to throw a knuckleball is dig your two fingers right here, two fingernails right in those seams, and that will make the ball a knuckleball also. So for a knuckleball, you're not going to snap down or you're not going to curve it. You want to push it more than you do snap. Because if you push it, the movement of the ball will then do this, and eventually it'll do this and then dive. So that's a very effective pitch if you can throw it for a strike. I just demonstrated how to throw a fastball, curveball, and knuckleball. In conclusion, all these pitches are very effective in pitching because you can get strikeouts, you can get ground outs, flyouts, just outs in general. Now I hope that all of you know how to throw different types of pitches, the fastball, curveball, and knuckleball.